Let us start this problem on well of death or wall of death. So in this problem, the radius is given as 6.05 meter of well of death. Coefficient of static friction is 0.5, that is mu or mu s. Mass of that person is 50 kg. Here we have to calculate the minimum safe speed to perform the stunt. Here how much is the frictional force if the speed increases by 20%. So this is the diagram of well of death or the surface, vertical surface on which the body performs a circular motion in horizontal plane. As the question itself, your body is treated as point mass. This is a free body diagram of this case. Weight is acting vertically downward. This is frictional force. Limiting force of static friction is upward. But it depends upon the normal reaction. As the speed increases, the value of this also increases. If this exceeds the mg, then it will be a safe condition. If it is equal to or greater than the mg, then that will be a safe condition. So what is V minimum here? The minimum speed in this case is calculated by the formula square root of Rg by mu s, Rg by mu. In this problem, R is 6.05 into G is 10 upon mu s value is 0.5. Solving this, you will get V minimum equal to square root of 121. So square root of 121 is 11. So minimum speed in this problem is 11 meter per second to complete the circular motion on this well of death. Now for V minimum from figure, what is mu s1 means initial force of static friction. It is mu into normal reaction. Mu in this case is 0.5 and normal reaction is given by mv square by r, because normal reaction is obtained. Here normal reaction is a force which provides the necessary centripetal force, because it is along the radius toward the center. The force which is along the radius toward the center, it will be a provider of centripetal force. For every circular motion, we have to think about the centripetal force, mv square by r. Here mv square by r is provided by n, that is normal reaction. Hence n equal to mv square by r. Let us substitute the values of this. Fs1, that is a frictional force in the first case, is 0.5 into mass is 50, v square, v value is 11, square means 11 into 11 divided by r value is 6.05. So calculation of this will be 500 Newton. So that is the initially the frictional force will be 500 Newton. Now here the condition is that if speed increased by 20%, what will be the frictional force? So frictional force and speed relation is here, which is marked as equation number 1. In this equation, if the speed changes, which term remains constant? That is mass, radius and 0.5 m and r. These terms are constant, means here Fs is directly proportional to v square. So here the condition is given as V2 means if speed increases by 20%, means if initial value is 100, new value become 120. So V2 will be 120 by 100 V1. You may write this equation V2 equal to V1 plus 20% of V1. 20% of V1 means 20 by 100. So it will give this factor 120 upon 100 V1. So Fs2 by Fs1. So what is Fs2 by Fs1 for the two cases? This is a frictional force in the new case. This is a frictional force in the first case. It is equal to, when you take the two conditions, then the constant get cancelled. So it will be V2 square by V1 square from this proportionality. Constant get cancelled. It will be V2 square by V1 square. It will be written as V2 by V1 whole square. What is V2 by V1? it is 120 by 100 whole square. So it will be 1.2 whole square. So Fs2 by Fs1 value is 500 equal to 1.2 whole square. On solving this for Fs2, here Fs2 equal to 1.2 square is 1.44 into 500. So Fs2 calculation is 720 Newton. So in the second case, if the speed increased by 20%, the frictional force will be 720 Newton. It will be exceeds the weight of the object, because here the weight of the object is 500 Newton, and that will be also a safe condition. Let us study the next case, that is vehicle on a bank road. So this is called as the banking of road. Why the banking of road is essential? Here we have studied two-wheeler rider, cyclist, motorcyclist leans inward to overcome that centrifugal force, because centrifugal force may topple or centrifugal force may skid the vehicle radially outward whenever the vehicles are moving beyond a certain speed. So like two-wheeler, here three-wheeler and four-wheeler cannot tilt inward, cannot lean inward. So for that three-wheeler, four-wheeler, multi-wheeler, here road itself is bank, such that normal reaction get resolved into two components. One is, for example, here cos component and another one is a sin component. Here normal reaction may be denoted by reaction force as R or normal reaction by N. So angle is considered with vertical. So this vertical component will be N cos theta and other component will be N sin theta. So here along the radius toward the center, here there are two providers. One earlier we have studied that frictional force, and another one is the component of this normal reaction in horizontal direction, that is N sin theta, also provides the necessary centripetal force. Now here we are only considering the effect of this component of normal reaction, that is N sin theta. If N sin theta provides the necessary centripetal force on this bank road. Have you understood this? Why the banking of road is essential? Because banking of road is essential due to the reason that two-wheeler riders can lean inward, but three-wheeler, four-wheeler riders cannot lean inward while crossing the curvature, while moving on the circular track, curved track. So for them the road itself is banked to increase the safety speed limit. So for two-wheeler rider there is no such safety speed limit, means lower value of safety speed limit. They can increase the safety speed limit by making more and more inclination depending upon their speed. So in the same manner it is found that, so to increase the safety speed limit, here if the vehicle leans inward, so they can travel, they can cross this curvature at higher speed also. They can cross the curvature safely at higher speed also, and hence this banking of road is essential. So here N cos theta is equal to mg from this free body diagram. Now imagine the banked road. Now road is not horizontal, vehicle is moving inside the screen, means in that direction, or vehicle is coming toward you. So here road is banked in such a way that the outer edge of the road is kept at higher elevation than the inner edge, such that the surface of road is making some angle with horizontal. Here surface of road is making some angle with horizontal. This arrangement is called as banking of road. So as the road itself is banked, so weight of a vehicle always acting vertically downward. Another force is a normal reaction. It is perpendicular to this surface, inclined surface. So it is resolved into two components, N cos theta and N sin theta. So from this FBD, N cos theta equal to mg, whereas N sin theta is along the radius toward the center. So this is one component of the normal reaction, it is a real force which will be a provider of centripetal force, because here vehicle along the curve perform a circular motion, and for circular motion essential centripetal force is provided by this n sin theta. So n sin theta equal to either mv square by r, or you may write mr omega square. Both equations are same because v equal to r omega. It is r square omega square, one of the r get cancelled, it can be written as mr omega square. When we use mr omega square, if we want to calculate the frequency period or substitute frequency period, omega can be easily converted in the period form or frequency form, because omega is 2 pi by capital T. Capital T is the period, or omega equal to 2 pi n, that is n is frequency. Or if we want to calculate the speed, this mr omega square can be considered as mv square by r. Solving these two equations, if you divide sine by cos, means the second equation divided by first equation, then n get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and mv square by r divided by mg, so get cancelled, you will get tan theta equal to v square by rg. Hence, safety speed of vehicle along the banked curve road without considering a friction, that is v safe equal to under root of rg tan theta. So from this equation, what is theta? Theta is called as here angle of banking, and that banking angle of banking equal to tan inverse of v square by rg. So this is the formula for banked road. Let us study one example for this banked road. Part of a racing track is to be designed for a curvature of 72 meter. So curvature of 72 meter means this is the radius. Radius is 72 meter. We are not recommending the vehicles to drive faster than 216 km per hour. So this is the radius given, and this is the maximum speed limit is given, that is v shape 216 km per hour. At first you have to convert this kilometer per hour into SI system, that is meter per second. With what angle should the road be tilted? To what angle should the road be tilted means we have to calculate banking angle, that is angle of banking. By what height will its outer edge be? By what height means here we have to calculate that height of elevation of the outer edge with respect to the inner edge if the track is 10 meter wide. So if the track is 10 meter wide means width of the road is 10 meter. So we have to calculate the height. So to calculate that height, here we have to use some sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. For that purpose, theta is essential. Without the theta, we cannot calculate. Hence, in the question itself, it is asked, we have to calculate that angle and also this height. So what is given in this problem? Here r is 72 meter. V is 216 km per hour. Convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. You know this, you have studied in class 9, 10th, 8th, conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second. Kilo means 1000. And in denominator, 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So multiply by 1000 in numerator and dividing by 3600 in denominator. That will give you meter per second. In this way, we can convert kilometer into meter and hours into second. The conversion factor is 5 by 18. So solving this 216 into 5 by 18, that will be 60 meter per second. So this is the safe speed. So this value can be used in your formula because our formulas are safe speed limit. Here width of the road is 10 meter. Width of the road means road is bank. So this is the width of the road, that is like hypotenuse, that is 10 meter. Here we have to find theta and h in this diagram. Let us see the solution in the next part.